So yesterday we spoke a little bit about how strong my identity plays a role in, the understanding of unity. And so today we have to consider if it's also simple, if we understand what unity is and what it's not, and we understand what we've been called to do, because we understand our identity and who we belong to, whose we are. Then the question this morning is, why don't we do it? Why is it that we understand these things and we live a life that doesn't reflect it? Why is it that our country and our society and our neighborhoods and our world, our whole planet is so torn apart because we are not working together to play a harmony? What is it in that that makes us thinking that we are better than other people? I think it's an important thing for us to try and reflect on. We have been taught this. We have been taught that maybe the way we operate is okay, and even though there's an uncomfortable feeling inside of us that this is just not working, why is it that we are so isolated in our thinking around this? Why is it that we are thinking that just because I look different or I live somewhere different that I'm better than someone else? At the end of the day, we have to understand that the whole issue of racism, that is a global phenomenon, much bigger impact than anything else that we've ever faced, been going on for just like as far as you can imagine, comes from this space of not understanding what unity really means. And how do we deal with that? And why don't we deal with it? Why is this such a big issue for it? And so today I really want you to think a little bit about that and think, what is it in my life? I can't change you. I can't convince you or force you into another thinking. You're going to have to do that. I can give you some things to think about, but at the end of the day, every one of us have to go and sit down and go, what is it in my life that makes me feel a resistance towards people that are different than me? Because we all have it in us. Why is it happening, and how will I deal with that?